it. I don't know if you heard that. The exhaust on this car sounds terrible. I've been neglecting this car a little bit since we've started working on the Mark 1. This car's just been standing and I've just let it stand, not really taking care of it. So today I'm going to just give it a little bit of TLC. The exhaust is blowing, if you didn't hear in that sequence, the previous sequence, so I'm on my way to Profit. I took it to them about a year and a half ago because the exhaust is blowing as well, and I've also put the tailpiece on by them, the twin tailpiece. They replaced the back box, and now the other box that I didn't replace at the time is also blowing now, so I'm gonna go there today. Probably gonna have it just the back box, maybe putting piping through. I don't want to go too loud and aggressive with this car. It's just, this is my daily, and it's more of a car that I want to keep neat and as standard as possible. So that's the plan with this car. Yeah, that's what I'm on my way to do. Wade's gonna fetch me. We finally finished this car. Yo, it was such a mission. We had to get top strap mountings that we tried to get on Sunday, but a lot of the places were closed, so we couldn't get that. And then we started on Monday again. We ran into another issue with the drop links. When we bought the coilovers, it didn't come with drop links, so we had to source new drop links. Sorry, the stand one was slightly too big, so we had to get new drop links as well. It was like such a mission, but we actually got it done. So yeah, Wade's gonna pick me up, and then I'm gonna leave the car at Profit. I just need to go finish off some work, and then I'll pick it up later again. So I'm not sure. Once I get to Profit, I'll speak to Brandon. Maybe we'll put a little bit of sound, slightly bigger piping. I'm not too sure yet. Like I say, I don't want to go too aggressive, too loud with this car. It's just a daily. I want to keep it stock standard and as neat as I can. So that's the plans with this car. Just small little mods like I've done already. The E36 spoiler. I put the twin tailpiece on. I put the Cupra lip on. Maybe possibly just some coilovers and spaces for the back, because the back wheel sits quite close in, or quite in under the fender, so I want to just get it out of it. So that's the plans for this car. Neat, tidy. Wade would probably wet himself if he saw this now. This is the sound I have to put up with. Okay, it's actually not even that bad now. It's always like that. It's always the case when you want to show someone something, it's never there. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. It sounds like a diesel that I'm driving. It's actually really so bad that I was embarrassed to drive the car. But now it's not really playing up. Oh there, I don't know if you can hear it, but this, I just want to get like a before sound clip. Obviously it's just due to age. I don't know when last, there we go. I don't know if you can hear that. But it's obviously due to age. The middle box, I don't know when last it was replaced. So yeah, it's nothing big. It's obviously general wear and tear. But yeah, we're almost at Profit now. Wade just picked me up. I'm gonna take the cat. They're gonna remove the cat, and then it was the middle box. I'm gonna replace the middle box and then just put piping through, 50mm piping, because like I said, I don't want it too loud. It's just gonna be a nice tone to it with the cat removed. Yeah, Wade, how's your car driving?
Nice, smooth, solid.
Smooth and solid. Smooth and solid apparently.
As
so
you can see, we're not bouncing around or anything.
It actually drives really nice for...
There's no knocking noises, nothing. Solid.
Can I speak now? Yeah. Yeah, it actually drives really nice for coilovers. Like Jom, there's a lot of skeptical comments and stuff about Jom, but I'm impressed though.
Me too, I'm actually very impressed. For entry level coilover, I'm very impressed.
One eternity later.
No plate, gang. It's about 4 hours later, or times 12:15. We dropped the car about 8 o'clock. On our way back now to fetch it. I don't expect it to be much louder or anything. I don't really want it to be much louder. It was just for that annoying rattle and the sound of the box that was blown. So I'll show you guys the after as well. standard clean neat with a 3.2 VR6 or R32 motor in here, something like that. So we'll see how it goes. That's just what I think I would like to do one day, if possible, but you'll have to wait and see. Then with regards to the motor, I didn't get the bottom end back yet, still waiting for that to come back from the engineers, so we can't assemble that yet. But I did drop bigger pistons off the other day. Well, not bigger pistons, they just had to do a rebore because there were score marks on the ball. So they did a rebore and I gave them 20 thou oversized pistons and put that in new rings, bearings. Luckily we're doing the whole motor over because we came across one of the bearings that was kind of going, you could see. So my dad said probably 1 or 2 runs of that car, hard runs, and we ran a bearing knock. So luckily we stripped the motor and it's going to be built nice. We're going to take our time with it, like I said, so that's the reason we did that. And then I'd like to do an update or a video on how much things cost, because a lot of you guys have been requesting that. I don't like putting like amounts and things that I spent on the car. It's personal and I don't want to seem like I'm putting it out there how much money I spent, but I'll give you like general prices of what you can expect, more or less. For example, the whole entire motor is going for about 10k at Mike's place, sorry. The whole motor is going for about 10k and I got it for considerably cheaper from someone on Facebook. So that's just an estimate of what you can expect, around 10k. But like I say, I got it from a guy on Facebook, and that's also the reason why I didn't know what I was buying. That's why we stripped it completely and we're doing the whole motor over. So I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It's not too loud, it's very quiet on idle, and then just in a little bit of high revs there's a nice tone to it, so it came out really nice. I'm really happy with it. We'll see how future things goes with this car. Like I said, I want to keep it neat, tidy, and then possibly when I have money one day, maybe throw in a R32 or VR6 motor in there, but that's long term. We'll see one day if I can afford to do that swap, and then I'll decide from there. But yeah, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. First time I put some Mark 3 content on there. I know you guys are all here for the Mark 1, but I just thought I'd throw that in there today because I had that replaced. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully we get the motor back, or the bottom end, and we can start assembling that. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
Yo guys, subscribe to JB's channel and make sure you like this video. Safe.